Welcome back to my channel. In part 1, we laid the foundation by constructing the house itself, walls, windows, doors, the very essence of architectural form. If you haven't watched part 1, I recommend watching it before watching this video. Now, in part 2, we'll delve into the realm of textures. These digital brushstrokes breathe life into our virtual abode, adding realism, character, and warmth. Join me as we unlock the secrets of material nodes, UV unwrapping, and the interplay of light and shadow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll wield the power to transform a sterile 3D model into a vibrant, inviting home. So grab your digital trowel, adjust your viewport, and let's texture our way to architectural brilliance. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to share them in the comments section below. And remember to like and subscribe for more captivating content. Let's begin by working on our roof. Enter Edit mode and create a loop cut using the shortcut Ctrl+R. Adjust the loop cut to your desired position. Next, select the two faces between the loop cut and the starting point of the roof. Duplicate these faces by pressing Shift+D and move them upward slightly. After duplicating, press P to separate them by selection and exit Edit mode. Now, re-enter Edit mode and extrude the surface downward to achieve your desired height. Make sure it aligns with the roof by moving it down along the Z-axis using G and Z. Confirm the position with a left click. To add variation, apply an array modifier. Set the X factor to 1.0123 and adjust the count until it spans the entire length of the roof. Switch the view to viewport shading and navigate to the render properties. Change the render engine to cycles and disable the scene world by clicking the small arrow. Next, select the outer stoop and add a new material in the material properties. In Edit mode, choose the top face where you want to apply an image texture. Click the plus button to create a new material. Assign the newly created material to that face. Start by selecting the principled shader and choose the diffuse shader. Click on the yellow dot to add an image texture. I will be using an image texture from Ambient CG, link in the description, or you can just use any texture of your choice. In the shader editor, add a new image texture by using the shortcut Shift+A, open the normal map and connect it to a vector named normal map. Next, add another image texture, this time for the roughness texture. Connect it to the factor input on the mix shader, ensuring that you set the color space to non-color. Finally, introduce a glossy shader and connect it to the mix shader, adjusting the roughness value. Now that we've finished working with the image texture, let's add color to our model. Click on any surface, then select the base color and adjust it slightly to avoid excessive brightness. Increase the metallic value for a shiny effect, and adjust the roughness to control the material's appearance. Apply these changes to all remaining surfaces, creating custom colors that you like. If you want to save the material for use on another object, simply left-click to mark it as an asset. Then, go to the asset browser and drag it to an object to use. Now that we've completed our textures, let's address the issue with our windows. As you can see, there's a problem with them. But don't worry, the solution is straightforward. Follow these steps. Add a cube, insert a new cube into the scene and scale it to fit right inside our house. Select the covering object, choose the object that is currently covering our house. Apply a Boolean modifier, add a Boolean modifier to the covering object. Use the eyedropper, select the cube you just added using the eyedropper tool. However, we still need to address the lack of lighting. If you want to take it a step further, consider adding lighting fixtures and furniture inside. Apply the Boolean modifier to create a hole in the covering object. You can now safely delete the cube. Problem solved. Our house should no longer be completely covered from the inside. For a more atmospheric touch, head to the World Properties and add a sky texture. Play around with the settings to create the perfect scene for your project. Remember, Blender is your canvas, and you're the artist. Don't be afraid to experiment with different color palettes and unconventional materials. Surprise yourself with what you can create. Now it's your turn. Take the knowledge you've gained here and bring it to life in your own architectural visions. Whether it's a charming cottage, a majestic skyscraper, or a mystical forest, let your creativity soar. Thank you for embarking on this textured adventure with me. If you found this tutorial enjoyable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share your textured wonders in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and exploring.